Halo guys, hari ini bersama saya.
Hello guys, I'm Ivan. So today's video gonna start with Nico K because I'm too shy to speak in front of the camera. So let's start our video now.
Halo guys, bersama saya Nicole, Ivan, Isaac. Nampak gak? Saya lupa. Ada ikut gak? Hai. I'm Ivan. Hai. Halo. Hari ini kita pergi Assum Waterfall bersama anak-anak anjing sekalian. Sorry.
Nanti pergi salah orang nih.
Betul lah.
Hai. Apa bos? Hello. Maybe.
Let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night.
Hi, now we are at waterfall. Pertama, waterfall. Apa namanya? Waterfall Noob. Bukan Noob. Bukan Noob. Apa? NUB. Kita tengok mangsa yang jatuh telepon tadi di jalan. Apa perasaan anda?
Pasangan saya kita boleh beli baru lagi.
At this moment, she still don't know what will happen to her later. So we took a rest at the first waterfall and we continue our hiking after we taking some group photo.
Yeay, dah sampai kita. Ni waterfall yang terakhir. Isaac, macam ni? First time? Isaac sudah basah. Belum mandi sudah basah. First time pun sampai Isaac. Sini tim lain pun belum.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
Yeah, now she's losing her phone also, and everyone have to help Nichols to find the phone. Luckily, the phone was found under the water, so she don't have to buy a new one. We left the waterfall around 2 p.m. and I was really tired, so I didn't get that much video clips. It is really tired, but we're having a lot of fun during the hiking, and it became one of my best memories during my college career. This is my first time going hiking, but it won't be the last time. Yeah, I know I'm so bad in storytelling, but I just want to share the good times to everyone through the video. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe my channel.